Last week I bought 10 acres of land, and one of my ideas is to have honeybees. So I was walking around just looking at the trees, and I saw that in one of the trees there was like a group of bees all together. I don't know if it's a swarm or if it's a beehive inside the tree. I'm going to shoot up to take a look to the beehive on the tree. Not because I think I have to, because that bee seems to be very quiet, but because I'm a rookie and I'm pretty scared. And my respect to southern beekeepers that need to pull up with this heat, so many hours inspecting beehives on the heat in summer. I'm pretty sure all this gear is way overkill, but I'm still a little bit scared of bees. Let's check them out. Amazing. And here in the swarm, absolutely nothing. Nothing going on. And actually this tree is alive, so I don't know how deep this beehive is going to be inside this trunk. Maybe all this area, I don't know. And I don't know how to lure them out. If they have a nice beehive inside, I think it's going to be difficult to get them out. But they were first here, so this is their house. But in regard to this swarm trap, I'm going to get some of the lemongrass lure so I can put it inside, and when that hive is ready to swarm, they may get inside that trap right there. Girls, you have a house right there. Well, my only hope now is that I can catch that beehive when they swarm. So I bought another swarm trap. Instead of building the one out of the plastic bucket, I bought another one with some pheromones, which I guess is some kind of like lemongrass smell that attracts bees. So I'm going to put it together now and put it up on the tree. So my apiary is going to be right there. I have one swarm trap in that tree, and I'm going to put another one in this one. So this is the swarm trap that I bought. It has a hole in the top, and this lid is removable. So I cut a piece of plywood, drill some holes so I can use a strap like this one and just hook it up around the tree. So I just got some bolts, screws. I'm gonna attach the cover to the plywood. So I also bought this swarm lure. It says attach the closed envelope to the inside of the swarm trap. That's it. So I'm gonna close the trap. I'm gonna put some screws through it, so just to hold it to the lid. So this is made of some sort of cardboard. So I don't know after a few rains if this is gonna hold or not. actually, it will pretty much better. Then it will be better at this height. I'm always fighting these traps. Always. So I think that if any of my beehives swarm, or if the beehive in that tree swarm, they should be able to see this swarm trap and hopefully get inside. I may have to bring another one just to wrap it around so it doesn't flop when it's windy, but I'm definitely gonna get camo straps, because this is too shiny, too flashy. Right, this is just a provisional, and man, these things smell pretty good. Smell like lemongrass. So I think it came out pretty good. Owning a piece of Texas is like owning a piece of heaven.